We'll see, but let me ask you all the same question. We'll start with you, Charles. When it comes to foreign policy and national security, the subject of this debate, with which of these candidates would you be most comfortable?
Well, probably everyone except Ron Paul, who is living in the 20s, who thinks that we can have a moat around the United States, and if we ignore the world would ignore us. I don't think there's a lot of division. John Huntsman plays, you know, he's slightly a moderate on Afghanistan, but I think Romney made a good point in the debate. Since the plan today is to leave in 2 years anyway, and everybody agrees that when you keep a residual force, even Huntsman and Obama, I presume, so it's an argument over a few months one way or the other. So in the end, there's a very small division, even though Huntsman wants to be the one to say we have to build a nation at home rather than abroad. He was asked about this, and he said he wasn't for an immediate withdrawal.
You know, Colby.